Love that you have displayed today. As a people, you have shown clearly that nothing on this earth can intimidate an Ikore man. No. On the records of the Independent Electoral Commission, INEC, the election that was conducted in 2023, similarly, Fubara won his election in the Ikore local government. 100% correct?
Yes. Very much correct.
And so, if we are saying today, those who are real supporters of similarly Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, the Ikore local government people are one of the people. And to even make the matter worse, his wife, the only wife he has, that gave back to male and female children that he's proud of, is from Ikore local government. But unfortunately, he has decided to pay us back with our good. As we speak, we have obeyed all laws as relating the crisis happening in Rivers State as at now. The Commissioner of Police have ordered that our local government council premises should be sealed, and we have complied with that order. But it is good we tell the public that similarly Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, he has disagreed with the Commissioner for Police, and he has ordered all the thugs he has recruited, those he has brought out from prison, those he has brought out from different creeks, those he has called back to come from different areas where they are committing crime, to come back and invade local government councils. Most importantly, that they say they must invade Ikore local government tonight. In fact, Nigerians are aware that a particular illiterate, because a man that cannot spell his initial name, I don't know what language I should adjudge him again.
It's an illiterate.
So, that the man is saying, because ADC they hear, the chief of staff of similarly Fubara, and his co-travelers, like the land grabber, the Kochichoki Huo, and all the rest, are moving from local government to local government, that the new plan is that they are coming with military uniform in a company of a young man who is doing military support piece they call Henry Wardo from Alo. Henry Wardo from Alo, we are calling his name. Yes. We are aware that as at 4 days ago, he has hired 20 Hilux and Prado Jeeps. That this night, they are coming with men dressed in military camouflage and police uniform to come and unleash mayhem on the Nigerian police force. We have heard that in Omuma, they have attacked Nigerian police force. We are asking the Inspector General of Police to please, he needs to redeploy DIGs, because it is clear that our CP is becoming overwhelmed with the current crisis. If the information we are hearing in other local governments is anything to go by. The area commander and his men, all the DPOs, have taken over the council. There is nobody in the council. We only came here to do this press conference, so that when they will start posting their viral videos that we have run away from our council, we don't run for people.
No.
We don't run. We don't run. We told them we don't wear jeans. Na rapper be this. Na rapper would they wear?
White.
Would they tie rapper? Mr. Governor, you swore an oath to protect the lives and the property of Rivers people, especially Ikore local government. How come you are falling from your mighty horse to come to a level of hiring cultists and criminals with your chief of staff to be attacking local government chairmen? But don't worry, the full law will take its course at the appropriate time. You might have the immunity today, but don't forget, few months from now, the current governor of Edo State will become a formal governor. Just like The former governor of Anambra State, Obio, is now a former governor. Every crime you commit against Ikwere people, every life you destroy, every property you destroy, everything you do, you will face the reactions at the appropriate time, one after another. We are young men like you. We have children like you have. We have no other place than River State. You can come and bulldoze all we have. You can come and seize all our properties. But because we worked for you to become the governor of River State, even the spirit world has given us authority to take our benefit from you. Yeah. We didn't run away. No. We just obeyed the police who have sealed our premises. When we are tired, we will go home. When you bring your men or military camouflage to go house to house and kill our people, everybody you kill, the dead body will register on your name and your government. Thank you and God bless you.